This is a chicken hash brown casserole that's topped with a layer of crushed up potato chips. The base of this recipe is actually very, very similar to my crockpot hamburger hash brown casserole. It's made with sour cream, cream of chicken soup, really cream of whatever soup, milk, frozen hash browns. Okay, the key, you have to thaw the frozen hash browns before you make this, before you make any hash brown casserole typically, because there's so much water in there, you really need it to thaw. So if you skip that step and it comes out watery, you know exactly why. You layer the hash brown mixture with the chicken and cheese just for good distribution. Then you do it a second time before topping it with the chips. To keep things tidy, you can crush the potato chips in like a Ziploc bag, but I find it oddly therapeutic to just crush them with my hands. Also, this step is kind of optional. I coat the potato chips in butter. This just adds a really, really nice buttery flavor to the dish, but you can absolutely skip it. As I always say, let this cool for about 10 minutes before serving unless you enjoy burning the roof of your mouth. Final tip, the potato chips do not hold well for leftovers. So if you're an intentional leftover cook like me, leave the potato chips off half the casserole and add them fresh when you plan to have it that second time.